Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Winda Triromadani. Here I will review journal about the effect of using tree diagram technique for improving student vocabulary mastery. Now the study was aimed to examine the effectiveness of using the tree diagram technique to enhance mastery of vocabulary in 7th grade. 7th grade student of MTS Miftahul Huda Bulungan in the academic year 2021 or 2022, which experimental with non-equivalence control group design was uses the research design. The sampling technique used was purposive sampling and involved two classes which include 33 students in the experimental group and 32 students in the control group. The instruments were 20 multiple choice questions and 5 essay questions. A test was used to analyze the data. The result of the test was 2,786 small 1,670. The null hypothesis was rejected. There was a significant difference in mean score of protest and post-test, which indicate that the tree diagram technique took a good effect on the student vocabulary mastery. The study concluded that the implementation of the tree diagram was effective to improve the students' vocabulary mastery. There are two classes that involved in this study. They are 7A as the experimental group and 7D as control group. Furthermore, the researcher only gave us treatment of tree diagram technique for the experimental group. This statement has made a difference result of the score between experimental groups that use tree diagram technique and control group does not use the diagram technique. The difference means the score of experimental group is higher than control group. It is evident from the result of the pretest and post-test scores. There are significant mean score pretest to post-test indicating that the diagram technique has a positive impact and to be good effect on the students' vocabulary skills. It means that the statement of the problem in this research, how is the effectiveness of using tree diagram technique improve vocabulary mastery of 7th grade students of MTS Miftahul Huda Bulungan in the academic years 2021 or 2022 is answered from the data calculation. The result of the test in this research in 2,186 small 1,670. It showed that observed higher than stable at the significant level of 5%. It means that the null hypothesis is rejected and alternative hypothesis is accepted. So The conclusion of this research is tree diagram technique is effective to improve the students' vocabulary mastery. However, the diagram technique takes a lot of time, so the another suggests for teachers to be more able to divide that time between explaining the material to the student and time to apply tree diagram technique in the teaching and learning process. For the other researcher, the authors get to examine the effectiveness of tree diagram technique for the other skills such as listening skill or reading skill. Okay. I forget the journal by Ani Novitasari, Olivia Rivalita, Sandra Lokatsu. Okay, that's for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.